Welcome to Voices, the world's #1 voice marketplace. Today we're going to walk you through the 3 main ways you can find talent on our free platform: by posting a job, with private invites, or through the project marketplace. To follow along with this video, you can create a free account or log in. Our most popular way to find talent is to post a job, so let's start there. Use this when you require custom auditions from multiple talent. Once logged in, you will see a large Post a Job button at the top of the screen. Click that to begin. Follow the instructions on the screen to describe your job. This information will be used by our job match algorithm to attract the right talent to audition. Hit post, and within hours, even minutes, responses will start to come in. Once you've reviewed your responses and found the talent you like best, simply select Hire and follow the instructions on the screen to complete the transaction. Sometimes you may want to invite just a few specific talent to a job. This can be done through private invites. To do this, go to the search bar at the top of the screen, click the drop down to Talent, and use keywords to search. If you know the talent you want, simply search their name. You're now in the talent marketplace. Review the profiles to find the right talent for you. Once you've found that perfect fit, simply invite to job. You will need to create a job like we just showed you, or you can invite to an existing job. Sometimes we don't have time for back and forth with talent. That's where the project marketplace comes in. Project Marketplace provides upfront pricing and timelines, so you can make quick and easy decisions. To access the Project Marketplace, use the search bar and set the drop-down to Projects. Search for the type of project you are looking for. Here you will see the projects that match your keywords. Use the filters to the left of the screen to show only projects that meet your criteria. Click into the projects to hear samples and to read the description. If your project has packages, you can review them here. If you're doing a broadcast project, this is where you will state your licensing. Select your project and package and hit Continue. Select any add-ons you are looking for. These are individual features you can add on for a set cost. Don't need any? That's totally fine. Leave them unchecked and continue. Input your payment details and place your order. Don't forget to complete your final requirements. This is needed for talent to receive your order. Once that is sent, simply sit back and wait for the files to be delivered. And that's it. Finding and hiring professional talent has never been easier on Voices. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for a free account and bring your next project to life.